Right guys, the style sheet's attached, all the styles are looking good. The rest of this paper, I imagine, is going to be pretty easy now. The last question was a bit of an ordeal. So question 9, really simply, replace the details on the paper with your details. So to do that, you just directly type over the top. Okay. Now remember, if you're practicing, you can just put a few zeros on, but in the actual exam you'll be given the your candidate number and centre number, so don't worry about that if you're just revising. So that's question 9 done. Question 10, we're going to change the table. Okay, so tables can be a bit annoying, very, very important though, because that's how we structure our websites. So the reason this sometimes difficult is because obviously we can't see the borders very well here. There's a couple of ways we can change that. If you select the table, you can see a little bit easier the rows and columns on there. Sometimes as well you might not be able to see if that's more than one table or if it's just one big table. As always, it's a good idea to click anywhere within this element, go to split screen, and it will show you the code for that section. I can see straight away that the table starts here and finishes there, and there's only one table tag, so it is one big table. If I wanted to select that table easy, I can click one of the tags at the top here. Okay, we've got cells and rows here, but I want to select the whole table and change some of the properties. Now again, there's a couple of ways I can do this. I can drop down options here, or probably even easier is just to right click and go to table properties. So we want border to 2 and cell padding to 10. Apply. Okay, now because we've not got a table tag in our style list that we've changed, you'll see that it's just created this auto style, and these are a little bit annoying because they're not as organized as the styles that we've defined ourselves. What I mean by that is, when you are, because you're going to have to go in and highlight this code to get the marks at the end of the paper, these auto styles are often not where you'd expect them to be. So if I go to split screen again, I can see that the cell padding is being put in there at the start of the table tag, but the border style is actually up here. It's not too much an issue on this style sheet because there's not a lot of code in there in total, but just to be aware of that, it can be a little bit annoying.